Right lane for the win, left lane, red light, I think. I think left lane, red lighted, y'all. All right, we got this Charger coming up next, y'all, versus this truck. Look out. Oh, TikTok do kind of look better on iPhone. TikTokers, where y'all from? Where y'all at? We got the Exorcist, that OG for real. NYC, Louisiana, Mississippi, New Orleans, Charlotte, or North Carolina in the building. I need to go out there. Pittsburgh. How much gas over there in Pittsburgh? Arizona. Somebody got 50 on the truck. For the win. H-Town, East Texas. For my people that want to watch it widescreen and HD, if you're over there on TikTok. Try a different app too. Look out! Oh, there you go. Just pull that out. Boom. Yeah, both of them together. Okay. Yeah, I've been trying to get it. I had to restart and use it. I'm back on the iPhone now. I'm finna stop this one again. I'm finna go. All this buffering going on, boy, it's terrible. I'm finna make it buffer one more time. I think I'm finna go back to the all these problems coming from, but they didn't came today. I'm gonna get a new phone, a new Android. I'm gonna upgrade. Upgrade coming soon. Switching back and forth. See, when it mess up, I just switch. It might as well be switch. It ain't working. hope it stay good for the rest of the night. Hey. Oh, I hope that my damn screen stayed live. Rapid. We got Angel all day. Look out. Let's see. Angel all day crazy. Freestyle, go. You just said I couldn't rap. Let me see. Well, it's been hot out here lately. I was supposed to go on that rodeo today. Oh, which app am I using? Streamlabs. I want to try StreamYard, but I ain't never used it. Hey, I'm trying to see. Hey, Camaro SS in the right lane. Hey, hey, work. Hey, LG1.